Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set up auto backup option in Tally latest 7.0 release. In this Tally, you can see there is a two company I already opened. One is ABC company, another one is Online Bismart. Okay, so my purpose is this: I need to set up auto backup for this two company. In the same method, you can set up backup for all of your company in your Tally. But while taking the backup, this company should be on. Then only Tally will take the backup. For that, this is a method for configuring auto backup. Go to data, then backup and restore, then select there is a scheduled backup. So we can schedule the backup. Select this scheduled backup. So after that, this screen will get. This is a two company. I already opened this Tally. You can select this company first, then second company, end of list. After that, there is a data backup frequency. You can set the data backup frequency also, backspace. Then weekly, monthly, once. In this four type, you can set the backup frequency. So right now I'm going to set the daily backup. So that means you can select the daily, then set your time frame, which time you need to take the backup. So I can select this 5:5 p.m. After that, press enter. Then there is another option showing take a backup now. If you select this one, yes, then once you set up this scheduled backup, I'll took one auto backup to the cloud. So in the same screen, another configure option is also there. You can see the configure. Go to configure, then select yes. This is optional, not compulsory. If you enable that option, you can see one more additional field is there. Method of backup. In the method of backup, two type of backup is already in the Tally. That is a incremental backup and full backup. So better you can select the incremental backup because in each single user license, Tally is offering 1 GB cloud backup space. In multi-user, 3 GB cloud backup space. If you select the incremental, that is enough for the auto backup. But in the full backup, maybe it will use more space for the cloud. So we can select incremental backup. Then after that, number of restorable versions there. That is default is 7. We can give between 1 to 366. That means if the Tally will keep last 7 version of backup from the backup into the cloud. So you can retrieve last 7 version of backup from cloud to cloud. So then press enter. Here take a backup now, make it yes. Then there is another option, security details. This is additional security we can give for the backup. That means while you are making yes, there is another screen will get password and confirm password. You can put the password here. Once you set the password, when you are going to restore the backup, that time Tally is asking for this user ID and password. If you don't have that user ID and password, you can't able to restore the data. Better you can skip this option, not compulsory. Okay, as per your convenient, you can use this one. Right now, I'm skipping this option. I'm not giving any password for restoring. Then select no and press enter. Do you want to continue without enabling backup password? Select yes. Then after that, select yes. Then again the next screen, it is asking for our Tally.NET ID and password. If you have the valid TSS, then only the backup function will work. Same time, it should be 7.0 release. So I'm selecting this email ID. I already log in this .NET ID. That's why it's automatically connected. You can also log in this .NET ID. That also I will tell you how to log in. Progress. So here in the status, you can see backup in progress. So every day, Tally will took backup automatically from our local PC to Tally Cloud. This is the backup status screen. In this screen also, we can see there is so many options here. So add schedule option also here. You can set up the different schedule. Once it's set, you need to modify. There is an option from the screen also. Okay. So here you can see status is success. That means it was uploaded to Tally Cloud. So we can check that status also. Just press escape. Again go to data, backup and restore. Then select here manage TallyDrive. Select this manage TallyDrive. Then you can select your .NET password and email ID. So here you can see the full details is there. In which time it was backup, all the details you can see here. Then when you need to download this backup, you can select that company. Then the right corner you can see download. Click the download. Then it is showing like this. D Tally software release 7.0 data the download. So Tally will automatically download this data into this folder. If you need to change the download location, go to configure and select the different location also. So I'm keeping the same location. If you need, you can change this location also. Then download. So all the two companies Tally downloading from Tally Cloud to Locker. So downloading is under process. So it is downloaded. So this is a two backup we downloaded from Tally Cloud to Lock. In this way, Tally scheduled auto backup will work. And also you can check your Tally data backup status in your customer portal also. For that, you need to log in Tally website, say customer portal. After logging your customer portal, you will get this screen. From this screen, you can go to control center, then TallyDrive management. In the TallyDrive management, TallyDrive storage is there. TallyDrive storage. Here you can see your Tally serial number and other details. Select this one. Then, so all the data backup storage related information you can find from the screen through email ID. What is the storage size you have? So you can extend from here also. Then your backup status, list of backup. All the list of backup status you can find from in this screen also. If you need to delete any backup from the cloud, there is also option. You can select this one, then delete. So this data backup you can delete from your cloud storage also. In this way, you can manage Tally scheduled auto backup. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for getting more free videos.